Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you Python.
So today we're going to learn a string helper function, the format helper function. So first I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to name it format.py. Okay, then I'm going to do
String equals milk. Then cups equal 5. Then duration equals 4.5.
So the first, the drink, the milk is a string, and then the 5 is an integer, and the 4.5 is a string. Float. Then instructions equals
curly brackets. Then the dash. Tick. Curly brackets. Cups every curly brackets. Hours.
Okay, then dot format. Drink, cups,
and duration.
So here we have a list, and the first is drink. So there are also 3 curly brackets. So the first is drink, so the drink will go to the first pair. The second is cup, so the cups will go to the second pair, and the third will go to the third. Okay, so let's print
instructions.
Okay, let's save it with Control S, and then go to the terminal and type py format.py. Says milk. Take 5 cups every 4.5 hours. That worked. Let's delete the instructions and print. Then we'll do instructions equals
curly brackets and the 2 inside.
Okay.
Take curly brackets with a 1. Cups every curly brackets with a 0. Hours.
Then
format. Drink. Cup. And then duration.
So again, we have a list here, and in the curly brackets we have numbers. So the 0, the numbers represent the position the variables are in the list. So first is drink. So the first thing of the list is in position 0. Then the second is 1. So drink goes to the 0, and then cups go to the 1, and then the duration goes to the 2. Then let's do print instructions. Then let's save it. And you can use your up arrow to copy what you last typed in the terminal. Okay, so 4.5. Take 5 cups every milk hours. Okay, let's delete this and do instructions equals
curly brackets with drink in it.
Drink.
Take.
Dash. Take.
Curly brackets. Cups. Cups every. No, there's a cups in front of every.
There's already a cups.
No.
Okay. Cups every
hour. Curly brackets, then duration, then hour. Hours.
Okay, then dot format. So drink equals
water,
comma, then cups equals
10. And duration equals 6.
Equals 6.
I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's do enter and print instructions. So here we now, in the curly brackets, we now have the variables' names. So
Because we changed it.
yeah, so
The milk will be water, then cups will be 10, and duration will be 6.
yeah, so we changed what's inside the variables, and we put the variable names in the curly brackets. Let's save it and run it. Let's say water. Take 10 cups every 6 hours.
That I won't like.
Okay. Next, we're going to delete all of it and do
Name equals world.
then
Message equal F.
so here we're going to do before the so we're going to do an F. So the F is an F string and it's just a shorter version of the F of the format function, and so this you can use the format function without that much typing. So we're going to do hello and curly brackets with name inside. So
the name is equals to world. So when we print it, it will say hello world.
yeah, so then we're going to do
print message.
Okay, so we're going to save it and run.
Hello world.
Yeah, so the name is a world and there's already a hello, so it's going to be hello world. Yeah. So let's delete this.
Then count equals 10.
Equals 10.
Value equals 3.14.
14 and
message equal F, the F string, count to curly bracket count, then period,
okay,
then multiply by curly bracket value.
Okay, so again we have the F and the count in here and the value in here. Okay, let's save it.
No, we forgot to print the message.
Oh.
So I have to save it again.
Message. Then save it and run it. So it says count to 10. Multiply by 3.14. So the count became a 10 and the value became a 3.14. Then we're going to do
width equals 5. Then height equals 10. Then print the F string, the parameter is curly bracket.
Then bracket.
Yeah, 2 star.
So the star is multiplication in Python. Okay.
Width.
So here we're multiplying 2 times width. So multiplying inside a print function is not actually recommended. Okay. Then plus.
No, the plus is supposed to be inside the bracket.
Plus
2
brackets.
Yeah,
okay.
2 star
height. So here we're adding 2 times width and 2 times height together. Okay, then a curly bracket, then
and the area is curly bracket with.
Do we need brackets?
Yes. Okay. I mean no. With star height.
Okay, so here we're multiplying width and height
together.
Okay, yeah, okay, let's save it and run.
py format.py
says the parameter is 30 and the area is 50. Okay, so let's delete this. And next we're going to do value equals
Hi.
then print f string, then
Dot.
then curly brackets and value colon less than 25. Then another dot here. So we have a less than 25, and so this is gonna add spaces on the right, yeah. So the high also counts as 2, so it's basically gonna add 23. And then there are also gonna be periods on the left and right. Okay, let's save it and run it. So it has a dot, and then high, and then spaces, and then another dot. Okay, let's do print value.
You forgot the S string.
Oh yeah. Okay, so then dot, then curly brackets, then value bigger than.
I forgot the colon.
Colon bigger than 25. And then a dot. So now we have a bigger than sign, so it's going to make the spaces to the left. So again, we only add 23 spaces, and then there are dots. Okay, let's save it and run. So now there's a period, and then there are spaces, and then high, and then another dot. Okay, so then we're going to do print, then f string, then dot, then curly brackets and value. Then we're going to do a caret.
Forgot the colon.
Oh yeah.
Colon.
Then caret, and then 25. So now
then a dot.
Yeah. Okay, so now we have a caret, and so it's facing up, so, and like if you minus 2 from 25 is going to be 23, and the caret is going to split the spaces, so the high is in the middle, but 23 is not equal, so on the left there will be 11 spaces, and on the right there will be 12 spaces. Okay, so let's save it and run it. Okay, so now there's a dot, spaces, high, then another spaces, and dot. So these are also used for padding and alignment. Okay, let's then do print a string, then dot, curly brackets, then value, colon, then we do a dash, and then a caret, then 25, then another dot. Okay, so now we have a dash here, so it's going to replace the empty spaces with dashes, so there will be 11 dashes on the left. Yeah, and 12 dashes on the right. Let's save it and run it. So now there's a dot, and there are 11 dashes, then high, then 12 dashes over here. Okay, it worked. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash a like and subscribe. Bye-bye.